We are headed to go get the Z-Wave done. I am super excited. I don't know why this light is making my... Okay, there we go. That's so much better. So we are headed to go to Dr. Fox's office, which was my cosmetic surgeon, to go get the Z-Wave done. Basically, what I was told last time is the Z-Wave machine is sound waves that break up the capsule a little bit, scar tissue, whatever you may have underneath your skin. So we're gonna go do that, okay? And if you haven't learned already, I got my breast done maybe like 4 years ago, and maybe like last year I started having some firmness in my left breast, and it's not like really firm, but it's something that I noticed like immediately because a bitch knows her body. Okay, don't play. So my right breast is like nice and squishy, feels like it's nothing but fat in there. But my left breast, it's like a little hard, not hard, but firmer than the right one. So we're gonna go in here to get the Z-Wave done, and yeah, we're gonna handle this. So let's go see how I do.
Let's go. Freedom. Freedom. What?
I'm Dr. Martin Fox. I'm a plastic surgeon. Today we're going to do a procedure to try to improve and correct the capsular contracture. That's a problem where scar tissue can develop around the breast implant, causing it to feel abnormally firm. So this is a very benign procedure using sound waves. You're going to hear a lot of noise, and we're going to go ahead and do it. So, why don't
What?
So you guys, before I even learned about this, I had a whole entire consultation with another doctor in my city. He wanted to charge me almost $13,000. I did not want to get surgery. I do not want to have surgery on my breast again. So hopefully this will work out. It was a little uncomfortable. It felt like someone knocking against this little tool he had. How often can I get it done?
Well, as long as I'm seeing it improve, I want to keep going.
Okay.
You know, we're gonna decide by your response.
Okay.
Instead of some cookbook.
Right. No, I
Okay, as long as it's getting better, we're gonna keep doing it until it's going to plateau.
Right.
It's gonna get to a point where it's not better, and then we're gonna watch it and see
Okay.
how it.
So do you think I should do it like once a week?
No, I think you should try to make an appointment 2 or 3 weeks from now.
Okay.
That's enough time to see if it's coming back.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye. Oh, Thank you so much. I'll see you in a few weeks.
Yeah.
It seems like okay, so my phone was sitting up here perfectly fine, and now since I wanted to push play, we have a problem. Do we have a problem? Anyway, I'm so glad I got the last piece of decor that I needed for my office. And if y'all haven't seen my office that I have fell in love, it's my baby, take a look. Okay, y'all, so it looks really good. It looks good. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this. I was almost gonna keep this at home, but of course I bought it for my office, so I wanted to bring it here first to see how it looks. And I'm glad I went ahead and brought it here because it's cooking. Whoa, it looks really good. So this is a personal unit of mine, and I want to show you exactly how I do mine. I've been seeing a lot of girls wash and condition their units the entire wrong way, and it's really effing up the quality of your hair. So after we bleach the knots, we are going to go ahead and get into washing and conditioning the correct way. Okay, like what is going on? So let Mama Auntie show you. If you do not have any purple shampoo, no worries. Just use the orange shampoo, and you do not have to use a lot at all whatsoever. Just make sure when you are rinsing your units out, you are spraying in a downward motion, because it will keep the curls, definitely the curls, going in the same direction, and your hair will be soft and everything. You don't want no tangles. This is how you keep the tangles from being in the back, okay? When it comes to actually washing the hair on your unit, stroke it in a downward motion like you see. Like there's no point of taking your hair and just going wild. You're just going to mess up the quality. So stroke it in a downward motion, just like this. Thank me later. I started using Garnier Fructis as a teen. I promise this is not an ad. I'm just telling you what God loves, and He loves Garnier Fructis. This will make your hair feel so nice and soft and keep it so nice and clean and fresh. Make sure you are gentle when you are stroking the comb through the frontal. I can't stress this enough, how you should always comb your units from the tip to the roots. Whenever any kind of product is on it, it will just save its life. Seriously, we trying to keep our investments, okay? We're trying to keep our investments. Yes, we are. All right, y'all, so here's the units right here. I'm so excited because Miami is about to be lit. I was gonna wear this color, but y'all know a girl is in love with jet black, and I might take both of them, but this one, yes, it's a frontal. Yeah, I know I love my closures, whatnot. It's all I really sell is closures, but for some reason, I'm falling back in love with the frontals, and I've been checking out some really good vendors. So 2023, baby, frontals might have to go on the website. But for today, we are going to go ahead and prep her for air dry. As y'all seen how I showed y'all how I love to wash and condition my units. I really believe that air drying is the best because you don't have to worry about no excessive heat on your units or anything like that. She is wet. Like when I tell y'all she's wet, she's wet. So I'm using this pillowcase because I ain't trying to mess up the quality of my hair by using a freaking towel. Those towels is just too rough on the hair quality, honey. And yeah, I just dropped the gems there, so hopefully y'all pick them up. I'm dropping gems, pick them up, okay? But yeah, Miami is about to be lit. I'm so excited. I did not want to have to worry about, I never want to have to worry about doing any kind of hair whenever I'm out of town, so that's why I'm always opting for curly. I'm not big on box braids and all of that. I mean, kudos to the girls who rock the box braids and stuff out of town, but me personally, I think my forehead is too big and my edges is like thin, so I need my stuff to be on point all the way, alright? So I ain't doing it. No, I ain't. Y'all need to be using Nairobi. Like, this is the GOAT when it comes to making sure your hair stays soft. Like, it really is. And I just run my fingers through it like that. Honey, I like a lot, okay? I love Nairobi. And that's something I had learned on my own. Like, no one even taught me about Nairobi. It's just trial and error. Trial and error. Okay, baby? Trial and error. This unit is so lit. Miami's about to be lit. We got a whole itinerary. Of course, a girl is gonna vlog the whole stay or whatever. I already looked at cars on Turo. I mean, tell me in the comments what y'all think about Turo before I even get there, because this video is definitely gonna be posted before I get there. What do y'all like about Turo? I mean, I'm opting for a BMW M4, a 2022 one. Because, I mean, that is actually, like, my dream car. So, I'm really wanting to make sure Turo has everything I need. Yes. My vendor is cooking, honey. This unit is definitely going to go on the site. But she'll come in, like, 4x4, 5x5. On up until, like, the 30 inches, like, y'all. Quit playing with me. But ladies, come on now. Look at that. That's the effect that we love, okay? That's the effect that we love. And that's after washing and conditioning. And look how small this comb is. Like, I love my vendor. Like, come on. Yes, ready to ship wigs is definitely going on the site, ladies. Y'all seeing this first, okay? Y'all seeing this first. Like, of course, it's going to be the frontal for me. And if you girls want the frontal, yep, come on. The link is in the description. Quit playing. But anywho, this is the girl that's going to Miami with me. Honey, I cannot wait, okay? Jet black, y'all know I am obsessed. Yeah, that's how I prepare my units for whenever I'm ready to go somewhere. It's real simple. Don't make life harder when it don't have to be, okay? Bleach the knots. If you over-process it, it's okay. I'll show you a video, or you can find a video. Wash, condition. Just make sure you put your mousse on there when your hair is wet. Dry your hair with, what is it? Pillowcase? Or a shirt, okay? And then I'll be back when y'all see me when she's ready to get installed. Y'all see me, okay? Bye, girl. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Christina Chanel, and I am back to you with another video. So today we are going to be reviewing Lens.me. Yes, of course I am addicted to this company because their contacts is the ones who look the most realistic. I don't look at me looking all happy and shit. I was really ready to do this. You didn't have to explain. You can go look at some of my other videos, or you can just research them yourself, okay? So this package came in maybe, would y'all believe I dyed my hair with no bleach? Damn. 5 or 6 days after I ordered it. I haven't even opened the box. I just took it out of the package. So we're going to open it together. It comes packaged like this. I don't want anything to fall out. Yeah, it comes packaged exactly how the rest of them came packaged, with the handwritten note. Yep, got a handwritten note there. And this time it kind of came in like, at this moment, y'all, I knew my video was ruined. This is kind of different. Normally it comes with like a little bag that you get to keep, like a little, you know, satchel, but it just came like this time, which is, I like the little bags or whatever. I'm just wondering why I didn't come with a bag this time, but whatever. Let's open this. I'm really excited about this color because I'm looking for a color that actually suits me. So I got one. They only sent me one contact. Quit playing with me. Are you kidding? Hold on. Let me look at my order real quick, because it's got me scratching my head. I was really ready to do this video and I really just opened this box. So yeah, y'all are seeing this with me. I cannot believe this. Oh my god. I really wanted to do this freaking video. Oh my gosh. Let me look at my orders because they got me messed up. This is some bull. I'm telling y'all, every single time I'm trying to do a YouTube video or anything, it's always something like, I just cannot even believe that it's not in here. And it's Gmail. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. By single lens. I ordered one. Like, how does one lens cost $51? I ordered in the natural color ochre. I literally only ordered one. Wow. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's order another one and I will be back to y'all with the video when it comes in, okay? Alright.